Hi mga mahal! Have you discovered a place where life, food, and passion blend beautifully on your plate? Tara na sa Terrace, located at 20 Matyagas Street, Quezon City. Ito na yata ang hidden gem in Quezon City that serves you unlimited chicken wings, battered shrimp, pasta, and many more, with an extraordinary dining experience that indulge every delicious moment. I think this is one of a perfect place in any type of events, like my friend Shira Cipriano celebrating her special day here in Terrace with some invited elite friends and loved ones. At ayan nga't kitang-kita naman na sobrang happy and grateful ng preni ko. Very pleasant and relaxing talaga ng setup ng venue nila dito. For me, recommendable talaga in all type of events like debut, wedding, at iba pa. Pagka-blow ng candle, syempre kainan na. Again, lahat na makikita nyong foods is unlimited. Inuna ko nga agad tong chicken soy garlic at garlic parmesan nila. I love this very tasty na roasted red pepper pasta with garlic bread. But this creamy mushroom pasta, I think not for me. Pero favorite ko naman itong garden salad nila with vinaigrette. Nakailan refill pa nga ako niyan, especially this mild sweet buttered shrimp nila. By the way, ito pala yung ilang details nila for reservation or kindly message na lang din po ng page nila.